This is WCIA 3 News at 10.
Restaurants can now offer indoor dining in Macon County without the fear of the county health department shutting them down. Good evening. I'm Jessica Coons.
I'm Paul Cicchini. Tonight, the county board passed an ordinance limiting the health department's ability to enforce state guidelines. WCIA 3's Jared Farmer joins us from the newsroom tonight. Jared, what could this mean for local restaurants?
Paul, for them, it's an opportunity to get much-needed economic relief, but many at the meeting were concerned about the real consequences that they all could face, both by an increase in cases and potential action from the state. The ordinance removing the Macon County Health Department's authority to enforce state guidelines was debated in their county board meeting. The ordinance limits the health department's ability to only enforce capacity limits, mask wearing, and socially distant guidelines. It also paves the way for restrictions on indoor dining to be lifted. Some restaurant owners argued in favor of the bill, citing examples from other states, as well as accusing state guidelines for unfairly targeting restaurants in the state's protocols.
We have families too. We have 130 employees at my restaurant as well. We don't want our people sick.
Many objected to the idea, saying it could be a dangerous blow to the health department and public safety. One concerned citizen, Jen McMillan, says, given the number of cases and deaths to hit the city, stripping the health department of its authority could only cause more hardships.
We have seen a record number of deaths at the national level. Over 4,000 people died yesterday alone. I think that this is a moving target, and I do not think that we should rush this decision in any way.
Brandy Binkley of the Macon County Health Department echoed many of those statements, saying with cases continuing to spike and amidst their efforts to vaccinate the county, now was a very bad time to stop regulating guidelines.
I realize that. We are all hurting and we are all ready to go back to normal. But things aren't normal yet. We cannot jump into this. We need to do this in the safest way possible.
As it currently stands, the health department will not be able to suspend permits for indoor dining at a capacity less than 25%. The health department says despite the outcome, it remains committed to keeping COVID cases down. Live in the newsroom, I'm Jared Farmer, WCIA 3, your local news leader.
Only time will tell, I guess. Jared, thanks for that update.